24/7 professional security monitoring. Get a text or call from a professional security agent in 5 seconds, yes, seconds, or less after an alarm is triggered. If an emergency is confirmed or they can't reach you, 911 will be alerted and help sent immediately. Easy DIY installation. Do-it-yourself home security has never been easier. Every security and monitoring sensor connects wirelessly to the Wyze Sense Hub, so just peel, stick, and you're done. Easy-to-use app. With our beloved industry-leading app experience, you can control and monitor your home status anywhere anytime. Arm. Disarm your home remotely, view Wyze Cam feeds, set up automatic security schedules, and check the history of your home sensors. Easily expandable. Our system supports up to 100 sensors and expanding is as easy as peel and stick. Customize your monitoring system to your exact home, or just add more sensors as your needs change. You can even add Wyze Sense climate and leak sensors to your system to make sure your home is safe from Mother Nature too. $9.99 per month. No hidden fees. Professional home security shouldn't just be for the wealthy. At Wyze, we believe deeply in providing quality technology at a price anyone can afford. At $9.99 per month, our service is a fraction of the market average. The monitoring service is only available for the 50 U.S. states at this time. Top reviews from the United States. Great system. Purchased this as a gift. To add on to other Wyze equipment. Works harmoniously with all the other items. Easy to use and install. Does the job.